Good morning students, welcome to e-learning class of computer science. Today we will start with lesson 3 working with tables. In the previous chapter you had learned to create a table in datasheet view and add data to it. In this chapter we shall learn to modify the table in datasheet view and also create a table using design view. Let's start with opening an existing table. In the first tab, open your database by clicking on File tab, then Open button. Step 2. In the navigation pane, locate the table that you want to open. Step 3. Double-click the desired table. It will open and appear as a tab in the Document tabs bar. The table will open in Datasheet view by default. Now, let us learn about the data types available in MS Access 2010. Data types. In a table, every field has some properties. The most important property of a table is its data type. The data type of a field determines the kind of value or data it can store. For example, if a field has a type of text, then it can store data that consisting of letters or numbers. But if a field has a type of number, then it can store only numeric data. Different types of data types are available. Data types. First is text. It is a combination of text and number. This type of data cannot be used for doing calculations. Second data type is number. It is used for calculation and can store both whole numbers and numbers with a decimal point. Third data type is auto number. It is a unique sequential number automatically set by Access. Fourth data type is date and time. This format is used for the years and time. Fifth type is yes or no. It is stored only one or two values, either true or false. In this way, there are another data types too, like currency, OLE object, hyperlink, lookup wizard, and rich text. MS Access sets the data type based on the data you enter in the datasheet view. If you want to change the type, then follow the steps. To change the data type, step 1, click on the field header whose data type you want to change. Step 2, click on the drop-down arrow of the data type text box in the formatting group of the fields tab. Choose the one you want. Select data type for a new field. Step 1, click on the arrow next to the field header. Step 2, from the drop-down list, select the data type you want. Modifying a table in Datasheet view. You can modify the table design in Datasheet view by adding, deleting, or renaming a field. You can add or delete records too. Add a new field. Step 1. Select the column on whose right you want to add the new column. Step 2. Click on the data types available in the Add and Delete group of the Fields tab. Step 3. A new column is added to the right of the selected column with Field 1 as the header. Step 4. Rename the column while the header is selected or double-click on the header to select it. Delete a field. Step 1. Click on the column you want to delete. Step 2. Click on the delete button in the Add and Delete group. Step 3. Access will ask for confirmation before deleting the column. Step 4. Click on Yes to delete the column permanently. Students, hope you all have understood. Thank you.